Okay, hello beautiful people. So I'm starting off this video. This is gonna be like a birthday glam slash, I don't really know, just like sparkly look for my birthday because it's on Saturday, so I'm planning on wearing some type of look. So hello, welcome. I'm starting off, well, first I start off with foundation and then I realized I made a mistake and I'm going in with my whipped primer from Luxie Beauty. And I'm just putting this in my porous areas all over my face and just rubbing that in. And then I'm going back in with my foundation. You guys know this, I love this. Same old. This is the Maybelline 24 Hour in Buff Beige. And then I'm just blending this in with my booty blender. Okay, and then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape underneath my eyes, and then in the other areas that I want to highlight, which include my forehead, my nose, and then my chin. And then I just blend this out. Oh, and that's in the color Fair, by the way, just in case you wanted to know. And then, yeah, I'm just buffing this out with my Beauty Blender from Morphe. Okay, next I go in with my Cover FX translucent. I think it's the translucent powder, but it's like the fine setting powder. And then I'm just putting this, I'm using my Beauty Blender just because I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a natural finish. And then, even though this is gonna be a full beat, so yeah. And then I just put that all over the eye, and then now I'm going in with, or in my under eye, and now I'm going in with my ColourPop palette, the new one that I put in, that I just bought in my haul, and I'm just going in with the colors you see here. I'm doing this with a little bit of a lighter fluffy brush, a less dense one, and I'm just putting this up in my crease and underneath the eyes. It's more of like a caramel color, orangey color. And then I'm going in with the second one from the bottom on the left, and then I'm just putting this in the outer corner, and then I'm buffing this up. I saw Desi Perkins do this. I don't really know if it makes a difference. I think it makes the eyes look a little bit more almond shaped. Oh, itch. And then I'm just, yeah, buffing this out up towards my eyebrow because it gives a better shape. And then just blend, coffee break, and then continuing to blend. And then now I'm going with this MAC palette. I'm just going in with some darker colors. Sorry, I don't know the names of them. You can just use colors similar to this. And then I'm just buffing this in the outer corner. I just wanted to darken up this look a little bit. And then I'm going in, I want to make it a little bit warmer. I don't know, I always try new cool tone eyes, and then I'm like, I don't love them on my face with my skin tone. Oh, sneeze. Chew. Okay. So now I'm going in and just warming it up a little bit with some colors from my ColourPop palette, putting that in the outer corner, and then just blending it, blend all over. And then I decided to do a cut crease. So I'm taking my same Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then this little brush from Morphe. It's a lot of work. And then I'm just putting that in my eye to make a cut crease. And then I actually set it first. I set it with one of the white eyeshadows from the MAC palette, and then I'm going in with some of the loose slash pressed glitter. That's contradictory, but that glitter, Prima Diva or something like that. And then I'm putting it all over the lid and then in the inner corner because we love a good sparkly moment for a birthday. And then just blending it out to make sure all the colors are seamless and together. And then I'm going with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and then I used my two different favorite mascaras, my CoverGirl Lash Blast, and then my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then I put those all over, and then now I'm going in with my Anastasia contour stick, and then my regular Sigma brush, and I'm just contouring all over my face. And then I do my forehead, and then underneath my chin, and then I go in with my separate Luxie brush, and then I do this on my nose as well. And then another coffee break. This is the point where I start to feel myself, and so we do a little bit. Oh, spit. Yum, delicious. And then me forgetting where I was. Okay, and then now I'm adding blush. Yeah, I don't know what that face was for. I never revealed what happened, but yeah. So then I'm going in with my Glossier blush, and I'm just blending this in. This was the color Dawn, I think. I can just list everything below because that'll be a lot easier. And then just blended that out. And then now I'm going in with this Tom Ford little palette. It's my mom's. I'm actually doing this in my mom's tub as we speak. So yeah, super good and fresh. Yeah, I just used the blush color in that Tom Ford palette. And then this bronzer from Cover FX, I think. or no, Makeup Forever. This is my Makeup Forever bronzer. I don't know the color, but I'll try and link it below. I'll try and link everything below, just in case I'm talking too fast. And then I'm going with my ColourPop highlight and putting this on the high points of the face. You guys know the drill. This is pretty standard, easy peasy. And then highlighting the nose as well, and then the Cupid's bow. And then now I'm going in to the highlight in that Tom Ford palette, putting that in the highlight zones as well. At this point, I'm definitely loving it. Okay, and then I'm going with the Hoola. And then I'm just like sharpening up my contour a little bit, because usually I set it anyway with my contour, but I like didn't bring it home. So I'm just using this little Hoola bronzer for the same purpose, just to carve out them cheekbones. Okay, now I'm adding more mascara. Again, this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, just as like a little finishing touch. Oh, banana break, yum. And a little dance. Okay, and then now I'm going in with I just did my brow bone and inner corner highlight. Oh, pinch myself in the eye, poke myself in the eye. And now I'm just setting it all with my dewy setting spray from Ulta, and just putting that all over. And then I'm just blending it out with a, what is it called, booty blender, just so that it all looks good and it don't get any like spray marks. And then I'm going with my Cover FX powder. I don't know what color this is in, and then I'm just sorry, I don't know the colors, but I'll link it below. I'm just putting this all over just to make sure everything's set and good to go. And then we're admiring our makeup for a second, and then I'm going with my MAC lip liner. This is in the color Whirl, and just lining the lips. I probably should have taken, I had Vaseline on my lips, probably should have taken it off because it was a little bit slippery. I recommend doing that first. But then I went in with my Lorac lipstick in Coffee Connoisseur, or whatever it's called, however you say that. And then I decided to put a little bit of concealer. I definitely put way too much. But yeah, I'm putting this in the center of the lip just to add some more dimension, and also, yeah, to just make it a little bit lighter. And then I put on my Morphe lip gloss. And then at this point I thought I was done, so I'm waving at the camera, but in fact I am not done, because I wanted to add a little extra something to make it a little more interesting. So I come back and the lining is a little bit different, but I'm going in with this NYX like watercolor eye pencil, and then I added that to the waterline, and then I'm going with this purple color. This is my like Ofra Z palette. I don't know where this purple color is from. It could be from like Makeup Geek or something like that, so I'll try and find something somewhere and link it below. But I love that little pastel pop of color in the inner corner. I just feel like it makes it a little bit more interesting, especially with the sparkles and everything. So yeah, I love this look and the way that it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you all so much, and I will see you next week. And I'll have everything linked below, just in case I talk too fast. But love you guys. Bye.